In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 that keeps turning off by itself while playing games. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 suddenly shuts down while you're gaming, it's usually caused by overheating, a power issue, or some sort of system software problem. Here's all the best fixes for that. Now you can check for overheating first. You just got to make sure your PS5 has plenty of space around it for airflow. Avoid placing the console inside like a closed cabinet or a tight space where it can heat up very quickly. Also make sure the vents are not blocked by any dust or objects around the console. For power connection, just make sure your power cable is firmly plugged into the back of the PS5 and securely connected to a wall outlet or a power strip. If possible, you can also try using a different compatible power cable to rule out a faulty cable. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is get into your PS5 and then hit the settings icon, go to system and then find system software, which is going to be this first update right here. Select update just like so and make sure that your console is fully updated. If the issue continues, you need to turn off your PS5 completely, hold the power button on for about 7 seconds until you hear 2 beeps, and this is going to launch your PS5 in safe mode, and you have to connect your controller using a USB cable. Then press the PlayStation button on that controller, and in safe mode, go down to clear cache and rebuild database. Select that. Let your PS5 do both of these processes, and it's going to restart as soon as each process finishes. And then from here, when you load back into your PS5, this time not in safe mode, you'll be good to go and playing like normal. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.